Now let's calculate the first of our profitability ratios called gross profit margin ratios. The gross margin ratio or gross profit margin ratio is a profitability ratio that compares the gross margin of a company to its revenue. It shows how much profit a company makes after paying off its cost of goods sold or COGS. The ratio indicates the percentage of each dollar of revenue that a company retains as gross profit. The formula for gross profit margin ratio is gross profit divided by sales, where gross profit is equal to sales minus cost of goods sold. Now, give you a very simple example. If the GP ratio or the gross profit margin ratio is 20%, that means for every dollar of revenue the company earns, 20 cents is retained, while 80 cents are attributed to the cost of goods sold. The remaining amount, that is the 20 cents, can be used to pay off general and administrative expenses, interest expenses, debts, overhead, etc. A high gross profit margin ratio reflects a higher efficiency of core operations. That means that the company can still cover other expenses like operating expenses, fixed costs, dividends and depreciation after deducting the expenses of cost of goods sold. Whereas a low profit margin ratio indicates that a high cost of goods sold or low sale price, which can be attributed to adverse purchasing policies, because if the company doesn't have a good GP ratio, that means that it is purchasing goods at a higher price, or low selling prices, that means the company is facing tough competition and is not able to charge a higher price for its products. Low sales, that means that there's a lot of competition, and since there's a lot of competition, the company is not able to capture a market share. Stiff market competition or wrong sales promotion policies. So let's calculate the GP ratio of Amazon Incorporated. First, we will consider the consolidated statement of operations to get our data. Here we can see that to calculate the GP ratio, the formula is gross profit ratio divided by revenue into 100. So we will first calculate a gross profit. To calculate our gross profit, we will take the total net sales, that is $280 billion, and we will deduct it with our cost of sales or cost of goods sold, that is $165 billion. Now we put this under Excel sheet, and accordingly when we get deducting from cost of goods sold to sales, we get the GP or the gross profit to be $114.986 billion. The GP margin will be calculated by taking the gross profit and dividing it by the total sales, and accordingly we get the GP margin of around 41%. What does this GP margin tells us? This GP margin tells us that Amazon has excellent gross profit margin on its sales. It shows that for each dollar of sales made by Amazon, it is retaining 41 cents as its gross profit, which is a tremendous and high gross profit.